Hi all, welcome all of you. So today we are going to take a topic of how does Google search works. Because when you are understanding about SEO, you have to understand about the basic concept of Google, that how Google is working and how Google shows the results in Google search engine result pages. So let's start this topic. Now let's understand the Google search process, that how Google is processing the data and how Google is processing the websites and how Google is showing the website in search engine results. So let's see what people do. People always, when they start their business, when they start any organization, when they create their websites for their businesses, what they do, people always upload website over the internet. So let's take an example here, that this is the internet completely and all the websites are uploaded over here over the internet. So let's see, these are trillions of websites available over the internet, and this is complete internet, all the website over here. Now what happens, like when people upload the website over the internet, now after uploading the websites, Google will come up and Google will check all the websites, because the aim of Google is to provide best website to their users. So if your website is best, definitely Google will show your website at the top locations. Otherwise it will not show at the top location, it will show at the second page or third page or fourth page. So when you are uploading the website over the internet, Google has created a very intelligent code that we call crawler. So it's not like Google people will come and Google people will check your website manually. It will not happen like this. Google people has created an algorithm, and that is very smartest algorithm. That name of that algorithm is crawler. So crawler is just a code, intelligent code. That code will come to your website hosting part. It means crawler will go to internet and it will check all the website which is present over the internet. After checking all the website, it will take up the website, it will copy the website, and it will put all the website in data centers. So Google has a data center in each country. Even in the country, they have multiple data centers where they store all the website information in data centers. So here, what is the working of crawler? Crawler comes to internet, crawler crawl all the websites, it takes all the websites and put all the website in data centers. So what are the websites present over the internet? That all websites are present over the data centers. So these are storage device of Google. Google people always they put the data over here in this data center. What after data center, like when they upload the websites over the data center, how they will process, how they will check the qualities, because here only they will check the quality of the websites. After that they start showing the website in the search engine results. So let's see that this is the data center, and after data center, like all the websites are stored in this data center. Anyone who will search keyword in Google, for example property, lawyer, merchandise, something like this, then Google starts showing the best websites, because this is the Google aim, to provide best quality results to their users. So when you type any keyword, Google will show 10 websites at the top location, and then means first page. Then second page, if you click it, it will show you some other website which is related to keywords only. So how it works, the thing is, when Google put all the websites in data center, here again set of intelligent code, they will check the website qualities. Means what is the quality of the website, because Google will put all the best quality website at the top location. So they will check the quality of the website. So let's see, those are all property websites. For example, they have segmented the property websites here, and now they are checking the quality of the websites after putting the data in, after putting the websites in data centers. So how they check it and how they check the qualities, the thing is, whatever the human likes in the website, those things they will focus it on, like content, design, and mobile friendly websites, faster websites, color combination, font, and these things, Google people will check it, Google algorithm will check it, and after comparing all the websites, like which one is the best, they will find out. And after that, anyone who will search for the keywords, what happens, this keyword will come to your whatever the keyword you will type it, that keyword goes to data center. It will not go to internet, it will not find out the information over the internet, because all the internet information is present in the data center, and they have checked the quality also. Now when you type a keyword like property, lawyers, merchant, Manchester, for example, this, so the keyword is coming up here, and already the website's quality has been checked. So they will check the quality, they will pick up the best website, and after that they will start showing the website of the top location of the Google search engine, because they think that this website is the best one, and according to this keyword. So when people will open this website, they will be satisfied from this website. That's why Google is showing this one, because Google thinks that for this particular keyword, this website is really good, really great. That's why it's showing up at the top location. No website better than this. That's why it's coming at the top location. So second website, then third website, fourth website, fifth website. It will show up in Google like this by ranking, like first rank website, second rank, third rank, fourth, fifth. then less quality website will be on second page, more less quality website on the third page or fourth page. So Google shows the websites according to quality and according to location. So these are the factors Google will check it. But the thing is, main fundamental part is Google take all the information from internet, and after that Google put all the information in data center. There they check the quality, and after that from these websites Google start showing the best website at the top location of Google search engine results. So this is how Google is working. So even if you are thinking to rank your website, so first of all you need to open a business, you have to create a website. Even if you don't have a business, you can create a website, and when you upload your website in the data set, maybe over the internet, Google will come, Google will check your website, and Google will put your website in data center. After that it will check the quality of your website, then it will compare to other websites, then it will rank your website at the top, maybe top location or some other locations. So how SEO works now? So the thing is, what we want to make, even if you are creating a website, you want to make your website best because you want to show the top location, and Google will pick up your website if your website is best. How to make a best website? So the thing is, to make the website best means a quality website or an informative website, more informative website. For that you have to do SEO. SEO means when you apply a SEO on your website, definitely you are increasing the quality of the website, and SEO means that only. Let's see the SEO information. SEO is the process that increase the quality of the website so that Google can show the quality website in search engine results. So when you are thinking to start a business, create a website, upload over the internet, and try to make this website better. Better means how you can make it better. You have to apply SEO on that. SEO, when you are applying it, it means you are making the quality of this website, and Google will come up, Google will check your website, and Google will start ranking your website at the top locations. So this is what Google search is working. And then when you do the SEO, it means you are making the website beautiful, better, best. Then Google will show your website at the top location, or maybe first rank or second rank or third rank if it is better. So this is how SEO and Google search is working. Now we will understand the types of SEO, how we can do the SEO, how we can apply the SEO on websites.